Hello guys, today we have such a serious issue on which we have to discuss each and everything with you. First of all, why the whole world market is crashing day by day. From last 4 to 5 days, we are only seeing one thing that the whole world markets, either it is forex market, digital market or you can say PSX markets, everything is going downtrend. What is the reason behind it? I'm going to share each and everything in this video. So before moving on, kindly subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of our video. Basically, it is about a panic ship. What had happened over here? The basic thing is that at this time, a simple panicness about corona. What is corona? I'm going to describe each and everything with you. So what is coronavirus all about? Coronavirus is basically a viral disease which can occur from people to people by touching, by shaking hands, and also by you can say by cough. These type of main things will happen to any person who is having coronavirus. Now, what are the main symptoms? You can say anyone who is feeling flu or fever, it doesn't mean that he has corona. No, no, no. It is not like this. Main symptoms of this is, for example, you are having cough from last 4 to 5 days. You are having flu, you are having fever, your body is somehow you can say you are feeling somehow pain in your body. It means that you must have to contact your nearest doctor as soon as possible. Right now, main safeties, I'm going to tell you about the main safeties, what you have to do to recover from this. It is not like this that if for example you are having coronavirus, so you are unable to basically secure up yourself. There are a number of people, as I'm going to tell you a simple record right now. You can say about more than 162,651 people diagnosis coronavirus, and only 6,069 people died from corona, and more than 76,219 people till the result they basically survive very easily from coronavirus. So what are the main safety things which you have to do? I'm going to tell you that one things. First of all, don't shake hands. Wash your hands for 20 seconds after every 30 minutes. Secondly, use mask to cover your face, and at least take the distance when you are going to talk with anyone. Take the distance of at least you can say 3 feet. It is entirely important for your safety, for your health, and also for the other one to whom you are going to talk. Secondly, the main important thing is this, that right now at this time basically there isn't any type of vaccine available, but Israeli scientists already basically claim that at this time we have the antidote of coronavirus, but it will take up to 4 to 5 months to basically check that one each and everything, and then they have to finalize, and then they have to send that one antidote in the market. The Chinese also basically they are saying the same thing, but the same issue will occur, that at this time they are also saying that we are making an antidote, but it will take up to 2 months. You can say minimum June 2020 they'll be able to take their medicine in the market. So at this time, what we have to do to secure up ourselves? First of all, the basic thing is we have to eat so much vitamin C. Okay, at this time we have to eat vitamin C as much as we can, because vitamin C will increase the immunity. Anyone who has you can say strong immunity, he has you can say the blood cells of his definitely fight against coronavirus, and he or she never ever will face coronavirus. So at this time, we all have to be at one place. Right now, the China basically the whole thing, the coronavirus started from the China. But at this time, more than 134 countries also suffering the same thing. So we must have to think over it. We must have to use so many, you can say, the safeties before the time. Otherwise, if it will go viral, then definitely we'll be unable to do anything. Use as much water as you can. So I hope I will basically tell you the main things regarding this one, the main thing, the coronavirus. And I will also try from my side that I will basically tell you each and everything, the recoveries, the main things regarding this virus. So I hope you like my video. If you like my video, kindly share this video with some of your friends and also hit the like button. And definitely I'm going to share number of videos with you on this channel. So if you didn't subscribe my channel, so kindly subscribe our channel. Thanks a lot.